Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Stock Pre-Market Analysis. Let's dive straight into key market insights. We'll start with S&P 500. What we are looking here is some serious trouble ahead in the market. If you are looking at all these candles on the 4-hour time frame, we are looking at one particular candle right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 candle, and none of the candle has been able to break out the top of any of the candle. Okay, they are holding all of this. Okay, so what we are looking at, the volume fell on the upside of this spread candle, the candle which came on 3rd of October. Okay, so all these candles are engulfing with this particular candle. Okay, do we have an upside a little bit left? Yes, there is an upside, because the gamma exposure is at 680 maximum. This is where I'll be looking at some sort of buying the put and shorting the market. 680 is the price target that we'll be looking to short the market. Okay, most likely we are at the top. This is where the market has hit the top. I officially called the bubble of the market yesterday. So this is not the area that you should be trading anything on S&P 500 on the bull side. Okay, moving forward to AI, this is what we were looking at when the stock was trading at right in this area. Right here, we've drawn the chart that this will be wave A, B, and C, 1, 2, 3, precisely following the trend line. Okay, we have reached the first price target. This is where $20, this was our first price target, and second price target is 22 to fill the gap right from here. This gap, which was pending for weeks, right in this area. Okay, this was the price target we were looking at. 20.60 to fill the gap. If you see the gap from here to here, this is the gap, and the gap filled. This is you will see the rejection now. Okay, you'll see the retracement back into 18.19. We have reached our first price target. We bought it anywhere around 15 plus area, 20 area. Now you'll see the retracement at 18.20 area, and then you'll see the wave 5. So if I give you wave 4, right here we were looking at wave 3. Wave 3 has completed, and this is what we are looking now. Wave 4 and wave 5, like this, upside. Okay, so now at this point, now we are looking for this retracement here, this one. Okay, and then again will be the upside. Then we will take down this previous high. Okay, so continue holding the $22.5 short put. $17.5 short put is in profit. You can close that one. No new trade at this point. The new trade will be at 18.20 area. So when the price dropped to 18.8 to 20 area at the retracement, we'll be starting the new trade. Means shorting the another ATM put. Okay, moving forward to Amazon. The stock is about to wake up. This is kind of an accumulation zone. If you look at when this price drop significantly and then continuously become sideline, look, this area. This area has been continuously sidelined. The price is going a zigzag pattern. This is known as the bottom formation. Okay, so the price dropped, recovered, further drop 2 times, A, B, C, and then a zigzag pattern. What will happen eventually? You see the breakout right here at the 50 EMA, breakout, retest, and straight into 240 area. So we are waiting for the breakout on this one. We have our trade. We are continuing holding. We are in profit right now. Okay, so we'll continue holding our trade. We are expecting a big breakout on this earning, which is on 23rd of October. So before that, volatility will increase and price starting going up gradually. And at the earning, especially on the AI side of the business and some guidance, the stock will break out on 23rd of October. Okay. Moving forward to AI, this is what we are looking for. On AI, we are waiting for a retracement. Okay, so we are right here somewhere. Okay, this is the high. This is the high. If you look at down, blue candle, down, up, up. So we are at this point. So there is a retracement, and then there will be another upside. Okay, so a little bit of retracement here into $7, then another upside. Okay, about $1.5, and then the stock will tank badly. So we are looking for the next big entry right in the $5 plus area, right in this area point of control line, right at 508. Till then, stay clear. We'll not be trading in this area. Moving forward to BMNR, we have been trading the stock since this point right here, this particular kind of, which is 41. We started the trade at 41.88. Since then, we have been trading and we'll continue trading. Okay. But we'll always be in out of this. We are scalping at this stage. This is not the area or at the equal high or higher that you buy anything. Okay, this is in out with a bull put credit spread, in and out, in and out, in and out for a few $100, and that's it. Stay more clear of this trade unless the price drop back into 51 area. That's where we'll be going big again. Moving forward to bull, this is what we are looking at. We have this box drawn a few days back. Worst case right here, we have the limit order at 1340. We are waiting for the price to drop another 30 cents, okay, which is approximately 2.5% now. So A, B, C, this pattern, this was like the inverted, sorry, not inverted, head and shoulder pattern. It will be completed. And if I give you the this one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is your fifth leg right here in this area. This is more of an angle. In an angle, it's never necessary the next leg has to be equal here, okay, because the trend is uptrend. So this leg will be shorter than this one, okay, so it will be here right here 1340 area, and then the price will start recovering back. So we are inverted head and shoulder followed by the inverted head and shoulder. So followed by the head and shoulder, it comes the inverted head and shoulder. The price will go up like this, up, down, and something like this. Eventually we are looking at $16 plus area right in this area, okay. So 1340 will be buying the share, will be shorting the put, will be opening a big position right here. We are almost there. We are just waiting for the stock to create the bear trap right outside of the channel, and that's it. We are almost close to oversold. Golden cross is about to appear. We already have the early indication, the green dot right here on the lag MACD. So we have a perfect setup, 2.5% down, and we are in the trade. Moving forward to coin, this is what we are waiting for the retracement in this area. Okay, the retracement is due on this one. If you look at the MACD right here, RSI overbought on a 4-hour time frame, gold death cross right here. What we are looking at, we are looking for the retracement. Still, the bottom is 333.38 right in this area, 333.38, which is Fibonacci 0.68, where the price will come back to this area. Okay, right here in this area, 50 EMA retracement and to the Fibonacci retracement. This is the area the price will come. This is the area where the price will come. This is the area the next bottom is. Okay, and that will be the wave 2. So if this is wave 1, this is the retracement to wave 2, and then we'll shoot up again. This stock is going 500 plus. I have been saying since it was trading at $303 where we started trading. We even started at 298. Okay, stock is going $500. So you need to catch this second leg now, which is around 333 points. Moving forward to circle. Okay, we are still in the bull trend right in this area. The price will continue. This has a hell of an upside. Okay, this stock is eventually will go to 652.12 cents. A lot of people will not agree at this point, but that's actually exactly happens. When the SOFI was 647, nobody believed it will go to 24/7. Same thing goes to Rivian. It was trading at 11, and nobody believed that it will go to 24. Eventually, Rivian will end up at $25. Okay, this stock has a hell of an upside from here. So on circle, every dip is a buy. Every day we see that red candle like this one, like it drops 5-7%. We are a trader. We continue, keep trading. Never stay out of circle. Those who are listening from the Discord, never stay out of circle. Every time it drops 4 to 5%, short the put. Okay, so there is no exception to that because the price target is 652. It's not overbought here. It's not. There is a hell of upside. Okay, we will get the dip right in this area. We see the consolidation right here. Okay, at the top. Most likely the case of the distribution right in this area. Okay, the price is failing to break out. What will happen? A little bit of retracement, 139 area, and boom again. Okay, so every dip is a buy on this one. Same thing goes to core view. We are waiting for a big retracement on this one. There's a lot of upside on this as well, but not without the retracement. This is different than the circle game. Okay, this will give time to time big supply like this one, supply, then uptrend, then supply, then uptrend, then supply. Okay, this stock minimum will start buying at 119. Will go all in at 108. Okay, this box which I have drawn, the wick of this particular candle, this is where this the pattern will complete. If I give you this, let me show you. So this is what we are looking at. Okay, this is bending top right in this area. The market is bending right here, and it's like that. So eventually the market will come back here, 108 area. So it will sell off again, up, then sell off, then like the way it's going up, down, same way here, up, down, down right in this area, 108. There's a real possibility of coming to 108, but we will start opening the trade at 119, okay, because that's the 100% surety. This is the bottom. So 119 we start shorting the put, 108 we start buying the share. Moving forward to GameStop. GameStop is about to bounce right here. We have done the retracement. This is the retracement I'm talking about on the core view, like this. But look at here. From here, you have a bending top. The price drop. Now it will retrace and then retrace back. So when you know where the price is coming, eventually the price will come. When we draw this box here, the price was right here, trading at $28 last week. But we knew this is where the price is coming. And now since the price has come here, we have a golden cross, we have an indication, we have the BSI, RSI oversold. And now you'll see the retracement price back into 27 area. So what will happen here? This is what will happen. Okay. And from right now, this is the leg which is confirmed. Okay. I'll take this as a confirmed point right here. So from here, which is 25, the price will go to 27 plus. Okay. So 27 plus right here, and then we'll be monitoring when the price reaches to 27, whether we will have a breakout or we'll have one more leg downside retracement, means repetition of this supply again right from here. So if the price dropped from here 27.92 to 24, like $3, then possibly again from here 24, double bottom. Okay, then the stock will become something like this. So something like this. Okay. Like this. So this is the critical point which we'll be monitoring right here at 27.08. This is the area we'll be monitoring. Okay, and then we'll decide whether it will go up or it will go for the double bottom. If it fails here, have some bearish engulfing, shooting star candle, failed the pattern right in this area, then we are coming back definitely for the double bottom and then bounce back, take down the equal high. So this is the kind of price action you will see here. Moving forward to HIMS, we have a decent retracement stock right here. Again, the box, this is where we were looking at the price. Okay, the price has come down to us. Now we are looking for the retracement upside. Okay, that means recovery. So what recovery are we looking at? The price is, this is the area that we'll be monitoring today, 55.39, right now trading at 47.72. This is the 50 EMA, the black line right in this area will be. So price is down, and we'll be monitoring whether it will retest the 50 EMA and sell off, or it will break out. So this is the area. There is no trade right now here. There is nothing to be done right here. But we'll be monitoring the 50 EMA on a 4-hour time frame, whether the price will retest and fail or it will break out. If it break out, we are going back to 62, 63 area. And after this trend line, major breakout will happen at 60. Once the price break out 60, there will be hell of buyer. Short seller will start covering their position. Okay. Till then, they don't need to cover, because they are thinking is the price is sideline in this channel between 59 to 52 area. So they are considering, the short seller are not in panic in this area. They are comfortable with this area. Price action a little bit up and down. As soon as the price break out $60, there will be a panic on the street, and the short seller will start covering their position, and there will be a major breakout. Okay, so keep monitoring 50 EMA breakout and $60 breakout. These 2 points are very, very important. If it break out 50 EMA, which is at 55, definitely there is a $5 trade to be made right away. Once it break out 60, then hold your position and don't sell your share. Moving forward to IONQ, highly overvalued nonsense stock. Okay, a lot of people will be back holding on this one for a long time. Long time means for years. They will not get the exit. I can guarantee you that. Okay, this is a total nonsense. A company revenue is 80 million, and company trading in billions of dollars. It's highly unrealistic. Okay, what we are looking at here, total retail hype. People are greedy, especially the new trader, those who have not been in the market for long enough. Like someone entered the market in April, May, June. They have not seen the bear market. They have not seen the bloodbath on the street. Okay, so it's normal for them to be greedy and try to think, oh, let's send it to $1,000. Let's buy it. It will go to $250 and everybody get rich. It's a normal behavior. We have seen like 100 of different cycle of the market. So there is nothing new. Okay, there is a lot of, we'll stay clear of this one. First candle closing at the 9 EMA, we are a short seller on this one. As soon as the price drop below 9 EMA, right in this area, first candle under 9 EMA, we are short on IONQ. So we'll be monitoring for the short selling on IONQ, not the long side. Okay, moving forward to Mara, this is what we are looking at, 20.70. We have one spread going on for 31st October. Trade will settle. Okay, so no new trade here. The price will go around 22 area, and then possible 26. If 22 failure, the price will drop back into, it's still a buy at 15.73. That's the area we'll be buying. We are not touching this one. We have existing trade to settle for 31st October, and it will be settled. Moving forward to MSTR, day before yesterday itself, I posted in the Discord that we have a bearish engulfing candle right in this area, and here is the result. The price dropped right away. What we are looking at, we are looking for the retracement on this one, at least right in this area, which is 334, 339 area. Most likely 339.58, because that was the resistance which was holding the price for a long time. Okay. After 339, there was a 329.08. That's where we took the entry. 329.08 was our entry. So that, since the price is above that resistance, support, now that is again working as a support line. When the price was at 355, the 329 was our buy entry and the support line. Again, the price is up now. 329.08 is again the support line. As long as we hold 329, we are going 414. Okay. So it's okay to hold your position right in this area. A little bit of retracement into 334, 335 area will be good to start the new trade. Okay, we'll continue holding our call spread for June 2026. That will give us a lot of profit, approximately 400%. We are happy with that. Okay, so no need to do anything. We are covered on that. Just hold. What we'll do with that trade, when the market will peak, we'll come to know when the market will peak on the MSTR. We will dump our $600 and $300 call for the profit, and we'll continue holding the short call for 650, which will go worthless. This stock is not going to 650 right now. Okay, there is a lot of upside, but not 650. Okay, so we will hold the short call of 650 for June 2028, and the first drop, again, we'll keep playing the long call, like sell them at the high, buy them while the short call stays in the account. Moving forward to NVDA, this is what we were looking at. Definitely right in this area. When I said 189, we are out of all the trade. We were waiting for the retracement. 174, 175 area, we are waiting right in this area to start the new trade. We'll stay clear of this one. This is wave A, B, retracement 187, and C, down drop. And right again, we'll start trading on this one. You'll see the drop after just $2-3 recovery on this one. We'll have a lower high in this area. Okay, this was the high point, so this is what we are looking at, lower high point. So the price from here to here, $1, $2, and then drop, and then we'll start trading on the next trade. Moving forward to Oracle, trading at 292.81. All our trade are in profit. We especially have Oracle in the TFSA IRA and the retirement account, so 401k. So this is good to hold here. We have claimed the 50 EMA. TMA is bullish. We have the price going straight first here, 308. After that, we'll decide if there is a rejection here, we'll exit the trade. If not, we'll continue ride the trade all the way to 400 plus. Okay, there is a hell of upside on this one as well, but this is a slow moving stock because the main game was done when we bought it at 241. Moving forward to Oscar, stay clear of this one. We have a short put spread, book the profit, do not open the new trade, exit all trade. This is not a buy in this area. We'll wait for the retracement. Okay, wait for retracement. There is no new trade here. Let the greedy and the immature trader push it higher. Okay, eventually this will fail. Moving forward to NASDAQ. NASDAQ is a very similar story. Continue bullish right in this area, but we are in a very danger zone on both S&P 500 and market should continue bull trend. There is no harm in the market to go continuously going up for months and years. But time to time, market has to give us a retracement so that that trend can mature. If the market continue going up like it's going on since April, the trend, there is no maturity in the trend, and eventually it will fail big time. So if it gives us a retracement like this one, like this retracement and then up, retracement, then up, that's a normal behavior of the market. It means let the trend mature, like this drop, up, then second drop, up. So that means the trend is matured, you know, and that's a good sign for the market. But if the market continue going upward the way it's going, it's a bad sign, like especially the quantum computing stock and AI stock. If everything is just going one direction, and that's not how the market works. Okay, quantum scape, we'll wait for the retracement of this one. We are out of all the trade. Okay, we have reached the resistance right in this area. $16 was the price target. We have been out since 1377. We did not catch the last run here, but we are quite happy. We started the trade at 457. We traded all the way to 13.77. Quite happy with that. And that was like 400% return. And now we are waiting for the retracement. Okay, now the retracement is these two particular candle right in this area, lower of this one and this one, which is about $11. That's our first price target. We are a big time buyer, anything below $10. Okay, till then we'll stay clear on this one. Eventually the momentum will fail. Okay, because this is news based driven. There is nothing changing on the ground. There is no revenue. It's still a pre-revenue company. You need to understand. Do not fall for the trap. This eventually will go to $105. Let me tell you, it's a $105 stock, but it's not today. These are two different things. Stock going to 105 eventually when the company start producing battery and start bringing revenue. Right now, it's a pre-revenue company, means stock will tank again. The institution will take advantage. Okay, they will tank it, and we will wait clear of this one before we buy. Moving forward to Rivian, we have the trade. We'll continue holding this trade. We are looking at this retracement right in this area. We are at the trend line. The bounce is due right in this area. 1530 area will be out of all the trade. Till then, we'll continue trading. We continue trade. We hold, do whatever you want to do, but be in the trade on Rivian. Moving forward to SMCI, high gamma exposure for 10th of October. We are looking for a possible major breakout and squeeze right in this area. What we'll be doing. And this is what is happening. Look, it's closed at 54.62, opening $2 higher, and this is what's going on. It's on the squeeze right now. The market maker are forced to buy the share because of the gamma exposure on 10th of October. 10th of October onward, this stock will hit the top, and then there is a major downside, like it will retrace badly. Most likely, which I'm looking at, $60, and then retracement will happen. So there are still about $4 upside. Okay, we'll be very careful here how we want to play. Make sure each trade has a long put on this trade. Means if this drop back into 40 area, 42 area, okay, the long put should make a lot of money for us. We have closed almost 300 times profit on this one. We are not trading now. We've been trading since April 2024, this one. And back to back, it has been going on for 1.5 years continuously since the stock was at $19.78. So those who are new in the group or those who are new watching us and listening, be careful. We have closed 300 trade in profit on SMCI. We are not new to this stock. Please understand. Don't just go and buy here and think, oh, I'll be making a lot of money on SMCI. We've been trading when everybody was like shitting in their pants and thinking this company will go bankrupt. 1978, I bought it over 25,000 shares that time. Okay. And multiple times we have seen this. So careful trade right in this area with the merit put. If you buy the share, you should have a merit put at the money put or call spread or bull put credit spread. Make sure there is a long put in your trade. Okay. Moving forward to SoundHound, what we are looking at? We are looking at the equal high. We are not the buyer at this point. Okay. We took the exit right in this area, which is 1825. Since then, it has been down, up, but in the same range. Okay. We are waiting for the retracement. Back into, we have a bearish divergence on the RSI right here. Stock is oversold. We have a death cross coming up. Stock is due for downtrend. 1530, 15 plus area. We are a buyer. Till then, we'll stay clear of SoundHound. Wix cannot continue dropping. This is what you need to understand. The Wix has been down. Again, I'm looking for the multiple equal low, 1, 2, 3. So possible there is a little bit drop and then the Wix will shoot up. Okay, moving forward to okay. So this is what we were looking at risk live. You see the lower high touch and sell off right in this area. What we are looking at, we are waiting for entry on this one. Anything 580 and below is our entry. We are waiting on this one. Right now trading at 678. Again, retest of this trend line. We'll stay clear of this one. We want to have a better entry. So there is no FOMO here. Okay. And moving forward to Algorand, we'll continue holding our trade. We are waiting for an exit. The first exit will be 0.2820. Second exit will be 0.310. Final exit will be 0.55. This has the potential to go to 0.90 cent. Let me tell you that. That's the highest price, 0.90 cent for this year. Okay. So there is an exponential breakout possibility on Algorand, but we will not hold or go till 0.90. I'll be out of all trade at 0.55. I don't care. It goes to 90. 0.55, I'll make enough money on this one and I'm done. Moving forward to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has failed to break all-time high, and this is what we were looking at. 2 times we knew it right in this area. You see that? Right here, we knew it, the price will go to 108. We call the bottom here, then the retracement, we call the double bottom. Right here, we knew it, the price will go for the double bottom. Bottom number 1, bottom number 2, the wings right in here, the right side of the leg. The price cannot go without retracement here. It's simple. The Bitcoin has to retrace again, one more time, back into 117. Why it has to retrace 117? So we have broken this resistance right here. So this price has to drop and mark this resistance as a support. Like, you are on the first floor, the ball is on the first floor. When you bounce the ball from the ground, it goes to the first floor. Now the ball will not fall to the ground floor. What will happen? It will bounce on the first floor itself and then shoot up again. So this is wave 1, 2, which is the 50% of retracement of Fibonacci retracement. So the next bottom is 117 area before we go to 139. It will not continue going to 139 here without the retracement. This resistance has to be converted into support, retest back 117 and then bounce. Okay, so make sure you understand the concept, converting resistance into support. Moving forward to Ethereum, it's continue going upward. This is what we call the bottom at 4,000, right in this area, right here, 38. Our price target was although 3298, but when we saw the trend change right in this area, we call it that, hey, it's not going to happen 3298. We call it here, that is on the support line. Okay. It was alerted on 22nd of September. The price has reached to the support line on the post-market update on the Discord. Okay, so right now continue what we are looking at, equal high, again very similar situation, retracement is due. Okay, we have reached this V-shaped recovery right in this area. This momentum will end retracement. If this want to go to 6,000, it has to give us a retracement here back into 4,222, 4,300 area, right in this area. Mark this resistance as a support and reaffirm this support line right from here, this one. So 4,200, 4,300 area, it has to drop back, which is about $400, not much. So let's say about 10% drop and then shoot up to $6,000. That is, I'm not saying it will not go to 8,000. I'm not saying it will not go to 10,000. It can possibly go, but not without the retracement. These are two things. The stock market goes up in ladder, up, down, then up. So the down area has to happen here. The retracement has to happen. Okay, moving forward to Solana, we are not in the trade. We are out of the trade. So we are waiting for the retracement back into. Very similar pattern you will see. Leg 1, up, down, double bottom right in this area, and then shoot up to the equal high. So 190 will be taking the entry again, and then we'll be riding all the way to 253. The top price target for this year is about 281. Okay, it's not going to break out to 500,000, which people are talking nonsense. So 281 will take out all the trade. So 190 to 281, that's like $90 per token, and that's what we are happy with that. XRP, we have the entry right in this area at 278. We are continuing holding this trade. We are waiting for the multiple rejection right in this area on the trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you will see the breakout. The price is between the 15 EMA and the trend line at the pivot line. So we are basically sitting at non-directional zone. It's neither dropping nor going up, but eventually you'll see the breakout upside. Okay. So then we are looking at 478 price target to exit all our trade. 478 is the price target on XRP. We will only trade which is giving us a headache here is the Habar, this one. We are at loss on this one, and the Shiba Inu, which is down, which we bought it because Shiba Inu is a total gambling. There is nothing we can do about it, but we'll hold for 2-3 years and we'll see where we reach. Okay, but rest of all our crypto are in profit. We'll get to hold. Okay, let me see if there is any other ticker symbol request. We have 2 minutes left. What's the price target 10th of October? No, it's not 83. SMCI price target is not 83.22. 83.22 was the top price target when we were trading at 39 area. The price target I just covered SMCI 2 minutes back, price target is $60. $60. There are 2-3 different kind of price target. When we trade zones on a stock, you need to understand the price $60 on SMCI. Let me go here. What's going on? Okay. So why is 60 area? The top price target of the wave 5 Understand, when I say the top price target, that's I'm talking about from wave 1 to 5. I'm not talking about in between of wave. That's the top price target. It means that's where all the wave will finish. SMCI 83.22, all wave will finish. We are in wave 3, which will finish at $60, which has the highest gamma exposure. So right now, this trend will end at 60, and that's 100%. There is nothing will stop it. At $60, the price will retrace back. If it want to go to 83.22 to the wave 5, at 60, the price has to retrace back few dollar and then go to 80. From here, from 56, it cannot go to 83, like 57, then 60, then 65, then 70, then 75, then 80, then 83.22. This is not how market works. Whenever you are in a bull trend, whenever the price is going, your mind should have a clear instruction that yes, there is a retracement due. There is no exception to that. Irrespective of the stock you are trading or crypto you are trading, there is a retracement. Okay, you should be ready for the retracement. So when this wave will end at 60, there will be a retracement, and then it will go to 80. 80 is our final price target. 83.22 means we will stop trading SMCI completely at 83.22. After that, we will not even look at the chart. Like right now, we are not looking at anything on the hood. We are not even looking at the chart. We are not interested. We bought it hood at 30.30. Our price target was some 80 area. And after that, we have not even looked at the chart. Now trading at 130 area. No, none of my business. It's overvalued for me and I'm out. SMCI will become overvalued at 83.22, and I will be moving this ticker symbol from the list to the drop down right here. And then I will not even look at SMCI once the price goes to 83.22. You have to be very stubborn, disciplined in the market to make money. There is no greed, there is no FOMO. Only thing, whatever you know, the knowledge and the skills and stubborn behavior with the market. It's better to miss a trade than lose a trade. Put this thing in your brain. It's better to miss a trade than lose a trade. I don't lose trade. I'm happy to miss 5 trades, but I don't want to lose even a single trade. So understand this concept. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for tuning in. The market is open. Thanks. Bye.